Hello everyone, Peter here, Piotr Fissner. Guys, so the TV, I'm doing another attempt. Hope you like the new name. If you don't like the new name for the YouTube channel, just let me know what's your better name. But anyways, the TV has an issue of the connector here. The connector is not connecting properly, and the picture which we finally have in this TV, which I was talking about, that's LG. Unfortunately, I can't get rid of the either food or something, yes, so it just sinking in the screen cleaner, and then I will change this liquid to another liquid and another liquid. Maybe it will just let go, because I was checking under the scope and it was really not nice. So I said I need to finally get rid of this TV from here. But what we've got here is a review, and it's a review of Weechip airmouse. That's actually a keyboard with a mouse. I don't know if you can see it clearly, but Android TV box, mini PC, this here smart TV, projector, HTPC, yes, and here is something else which I can't read, but I'll read you anyway. All-in-one PC TV. Basic functions: 2.4 GHz airmouse and wireless keyboard, 6-axis inertia. I can read English, yeah. Inertia sensors, support the motion sensing games. Airmouse cursor on off, IR learning function, up to 10 meters transmission distance, low battery indicator. Features: 2.4 GHz infrared remote control switched, LED status indication, built-in lithium battery, adjust airmouse speed, forbidden turn over to prevent miss issue, automatic sleep, reduce power consumption. So yeah, I bought it because my kids are on the TV. Nothing else in the box, inside the box. Here we've got some user manual. Yeah, airmouse user manual. Let's put it aside. Yeah, we don't have time to read such nonsense. Okay, so we got a transmitter. I will plug it into the PC, the first available slot, and we've got a remote with keyboard, yes, and we get a cable. So let's open. It's like a silky touch. So that's USB 1, not micro USB, and not C but micro USB. It's a shame they could do micro USB, I mean the USB-C one, yeah? I'll have to solder it probably. No, I'm joking, I will leave it. I've got these and these at home, so it's fine. Okay, so what do we see here is a keyboard, yes? So when you're sitting in front of the TV, you don't want to type, on a YouTube or on Netflix or on something. With the remote, going left and right, that's really useful, yeah? So we've got the mouse. Let us take it off. It's shiny. It's really shiny. And you don't want to say, because we've got a voice control on the TV, but sometimes it's just not working the way you want it, yeah? So then again, I've got a Raspberry Pi, which that's a handy in the car when I'm taking Raspberry Pi, which I need to still prepare, yeah? But when I will be taking it to the car with a Raspberry Pi desk, then it will be really helpful. So we've got a power button at the top, we've got left, right, and Weechip written here. Here is a volume plus minus. Oh look, it's already working on my voice control. Good that I didn't press the power button, because if I would press it, then that would be fun. Okay, so it is working. It's plug and play, to be true, so it's nothing to test actually, apart from that I will write to my friend. Hi. Yeah, it is working, fine. Backspace, shift. Hi. No, shift doesn't work. Maybe I need to hold it. Back, hold shift. Yeah, I need to hold it. And caps lock. Yeah, as well. Okay, so cool. So guys, I can say that it's useful. It's really useful. It's just working as a plug and play. I don't know if that's working as a mouse. No, I don't see mouse moving. Mouse is not moving. Okay. Ah, sorry. So you've got this button here, cursor, yes, and you need to press it in order to work. So that's a good one. That's a good one because you won't press it, accidentally, yes. Only what I see is that if I can increase the speed of the cursor, that would be nice, because my mouse is quite quick comparing to this one, whereas this one is quite slow, you can say, yes. So yeah, the only thing, I don't know if I can do it, if this cursor speed is adjustable or not. Maybe I can go to the settings of my operating system and I can check if I can find mouse here, or I've got a search. I could do it, I could do it with that mouse. So now the two mouses are not working brilliantly because one is pulling other. So when this mouse is lying flat, it's moving cursor of my second mouse, which is not nice. Yeah, okay, so it's good because when you switch it on the second side, it's stopping. So that's a good thing, because that sensor which we've read about was there, yeah. So what will happen if I'll increase the speed? Okay, so my mouse is super speedy right now. And what about this one? Yeah, this one is still the same. It's no difference. So I'm not super happy with the speed, to be true. I'm happy with my mouse, which is what it is. It's a cursor. Some gaming mouse, but it is not for. Okay, apply setting. Okay, guys, so I didn't apply settings. So when I've applied settings, it is a significant difference. And I can say that moving it slowly, it's slow. But when I'm trying to move quickly, like a, yes, then it's 34 ultra wide, yes. So get like this, almost two of my hands here. So it's really wide. It's ultra wide. Yes. Okay, and the second part is like to this, yes. So that's my monitor. So you can imagine it's one and this about size, yes. So it is large on the sides. So I'm able to do in one move. Yes, in one move I can go straight away to the very end. So now it's okay, yes. So it's adjustable. That's fine. So I'm happy with it. But I had to increase the speed in my operating system to get the max, yes. But yeah, I'm happy. I'm positive about it. That's it. I don't know what else I can tell you about it. It's called, where's the box? Weechip, and there is a model airmouse W1. That's the one, yes? That's the W1. It's really nice. Black, white, other. Brun. No, I don't know what other colors they have. Yes, I've seen black and I said, okay, why not? Sometimes I'm fixing stuff and I need a mouse, extra mouse. Sometimes, that's why I meant to get my old Logitech Air, yes, this, because it's working on the Surface and you know, and then works as well on the Go, I mean, as an airmouse. But anyways, that will be useful downstairs in the living room on a daily basis, and then when we will be traveling and inside my Volvo XC90, I can use for the Raspberry Pi because of this small keyboard. So I'm super excited about it. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.